Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the Skullcandy Crusher. So let's start. Let's see what's inside the box. So we have the headphones here. I'll keep that aside. Here we have our accessories and quick start. Who uses that? Let's see what we get in the accessories. Aux cable and charging cable. Let's see our headphones. We got a nice carrying case so that we can travel with it. Quite firm, nice look. It looks quite premium. We have awesome ear cushions, good for long time usage. We have 3 buttons which are volume up and volume down, and that is a bass slider. Quite flexible also. We can fold it so that we can carry it along. It is quite adjustable so that anybody or all size heads can fit. Charging port and aux cable is down. That boost slider should be in every headphones. It's an awesome addition. We also have a mic and a charging port and aux cable. It has a battery life of around 40 hours and bass is awesome, premium, and its price is around 10,000 rupees. We also have an aux cable. The aux cable is given. The aux cable also has an mic, inbuilt mic, so when the battery is dead you can use it. Unfortunately this is not for Apple users as it is a 3.5mm jack. They may have to use an adapter. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and to buy this the links are in the description.